This video series is in collaboration with Southwark Council's Streets for People project.
Hello and welcome to Community Cycleworks How-To video series. My name is Hayley and today we will cover the ABC check. So the ABC check is something that should be done before every ride. Even if you popped into a shop for 10 minutes, there's a few things that might need checking to ensure that your bike is safe to ride as you set off again. So ABC stands for air, brake, chain. For air, to check the pressure in the tyre, we like to squeeze the tyre on the sidewall. It should feel like a firm apple. What we don't want to do is push down on the top, because this section of the tyre makes contact with the road. It's got much more material in there to protect from punctures. So that's feeling good for me, and likewise. So B is brakes. So to check your brake, for the front one, we roll the bike forward, pull the front brake, it should stop. And then for the backward, we roll the bike back and pull the back brake. Your bike should stop each time you do that. If your brakes are not stopping, it may well be that your brakes have been disconnected like we have here. On the B brake, it's very simple to connect them again. Squeeze the brake arm, pull the noodle, and then you guide the cable through the entry point at the top of the noodle holder. That should be good. So C is for chain, and to do this we need to check if there's any slack at the bottom. If there's too much slack, it may indicate that the chain is worn and needs to be replaced. We are also looking for any sign of rust along the chain, because if there is rust, then it indicates that the metal is corroding and it may snap on you when you're riding. If you discover that your chain is quite slack, like it is here, or you try to pedal and nothing is happening, so your chain has slipped off. So what you need to get is a spanner. If you don't have a spanner, you can use a pen or a key. Preferably the longer the better. So I'll actually do it with the key to show you that it can be done. So if you have a rear derailleur, you will push it in. We have to be mindful because there's two springs in here. If I release, it will snap back into place. So we like to be careful and we slowly release it each time. So pushing the derailleur forward, you can even hold on to the frame so you don't fatigue your hand. And then with the excess chain, you will use your key or your pen or whatever you've got with you, a stick. You will pull it up and then you will guide the chain back into place, like so, and then slowly release the derailleur. For good measure, you could lift the back wheel up and give it a pedal just to ensure that it's in the correct gear. Thank you for watching. See you soon.